one of the directors of Fastec Racing. Today I'll be talking you through our Ducati. So before we start, a little about Fastec Racing. We are predominantly a machine shop and design where we manufacture parts and components for motorcycles. We work with BSB race teams, World Superbike teams, along with the custom bike builders, the likes of Down and Out, Yokes, Untitled Motorcycles, Simroja. At our workshop we do build motorcycles. We also have a small shop where we sell these bikes, also some clothing, etc. So this build we have here is a Ducati M600 Dark. We built this for the Bike Shed show in 2018. We'll start at the front end. I can tell you and show you what we've done. We've stripped the wheels and remachined all the rims. Some people call this diamond cutting. All new bearings, new discs. The forks have all been stripped and refreshed. Down the bottom we've got a new spindle with our bobbins on there. These are both crash bobbins and stand bobbins. Coming up, Yokes. Yokes is one of the things that we do a lot of. These ones here are similar to a design that we've done for one of the superbike teams on the Ducati. We've altered them in a way to have a headlight bracket for the Kozo headlight, which is a nice LED unit. So, top yoke is one of our designs where we've integrated the Speedo and the lights. We do these many different styles, many different Speedos. To go through the trip on the digital Speedo, we have a button here which we have replaced the ignition switch with. This one is fully Bluetooth keyless ignition, so there was no need for it. Coming on down, we've got the clip-on handlebars, again, that we produce. A lot of these used in the BSB teams. We've got these new switch buttons, so it's another new product of ours. These will soon be available. And our grips. These grips are all interchangeable. We design for each bike that we build. We've then gone for Brembo Clutch and brake. Obviously complement the calipers and the discs are also Brembos. The tank is standard. We haven't had to do anything with this apart from give it to Arnie at Pro Customs, where he's done this lovely paint job that we were really proud of. Coming around the side, we have the timing belt covers. Now the engine on this was a low mileage engine, so it had a general refresh, but we decided that we were going to machine some parts for it. So we've machined these nice belt covers, along with giving it a new touch of paint. We come down to the foot hangers. We've got the footrest that we've machined again. On the hangers, what we've done is removed the rear passenger one because they're not going to sit on that seat. And then if we can go around the other side, I can show you the sprocket cover for the front. Again, new design that we've machined. These are also available. As you can see, we've cut the rear subframe, shortened it quite a lot to half the back wheel, remade a new seat pan, and then covered to suit. On the back, we have these small Shinyo indicators from Digital Speedos. These are the running lights, brake light and indicators. Again, complemented again on the front. Underneath, new exhaust system, full stainless steel, completely made, manufactured with some billet end caps. We have the number plate bracket, again mounted so that it doesn't look too out of place. The rear wheel, machine cut, new calipers, new disc to match the front. So what we'll do now is take it outside and see what she sounds like. Well, that is it. I hope you liked our bike. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And if you turn on the alerts, you'll see when the next Bike Shed video is released.